First step is to unplug the machine and then vacuum the outside fabric. Then you want to remove the top, turning it counterclockwise. You're going to remove the outer fabric, and they have this plastic ring at the top you want to take off. So take the fabric off. You can put this in the washing machine if you'd like. Then you take off the outer, or take off the filter. You can vacuum the plastic shell. You take your new filter out of the box. Remove the plastic cover. Take out the styrofoam center. And you put that over top of the plastic shell. Slide it down. And then you do everything in reverse. You take the fabric cover. Put it over top of the filter. Ensuring that it comes down to the bottom of the unit, over the lip. You replace the plastic ring on the top. Bring the fabric over top of the ring. This helps hold the ring in place. And then you replace the top. Try to line up the cord with the edge here so you can cover it with the fabric. And there you have it. You plug it back in when you're done. Hold the button down for about 7 seconds to reset the filter counter, and you're good to go.